This is me out in the backyard waiting for our camera people to show up, drinking a beer all by myself. Nobody's here. I could talk about them, do whatever I want. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen, barbecuing in the backyard. I love to backyard barbecue. Today we are making a dessert, and it is an apple crisp on the barbecue. It's on the Traeger, so it's going to have some smoke to it. It's delicious. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start the topping. So I have some oats here, some old-fashioned oats, and I have some flour. Now, if you need the recipe, you can look in the description. I'm just going to throw it all in. We are adding a lot of butter. We're adding a lot of butter because butter is better, like bacon. It is 1.5 cups butter. And what this is going to do, it's going to make the top crispy and flaky. So the oats are just going to dissolve in your mouth. They're so good. We're going to mix it all in. I have some brown sugar. Did you see that? And cinnamon. Ooh. And you're just going to mix this all in until the butter and the cinnamon and the brown sugar are combined. This is almost my favorite part because when you cook in the Traeger, and I'm not trying to do a commercial about the Traeger, but I'm just saying it's so delicious. The smoke flavor goes into the topping and the apples, and it is yummy. Okay, look at that. See how good that looks? Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna go over here to the apples. Look it, does this look like a mimosa? It's not. It's not, it's melted butter. We're gonna go ahead and pour the melted butter over the apples. And I'm just gonna mix up some flour, some brown sugar. The heat is killing the brown sugar. Some cinnamon and nutmeg, and I love nutmeg. Now, if you really want to spice things up, you can add some bourbon. You could add some whiskey, some good whiskey. You just drizzle it in the apples. If I had an assistant right now, I'd tell him to go get me a bottle of whiskey right now and dump it over there. Then we're going to take the mixture, we're going to put it in the apples. And it is just going to mix up with that butter. When you slice your apples, make sure you put some lemon juice on them, and it helps them prevent from oxidizing, turning brown. But it doesn't matter because we're going to cook them. So you just want to make sure it's all mixed in. It looks mixed. And we are cooking it in a cast iron skillet, which is the best thing to cook in anywhere. If I were to make this in my oven, I would use the cast iron skillet because I love them. Let me set that down. Now I'm smashing it in there. Okay, see that? Yep. Okay, here comes the fun part. We are going to top this as high as we could top it without going over. So here we go. I'm even going to push it down a little bit because this crumb topping is so delicious. It's almost the best part. Honestly, it's my favorite part. Look at, smash it in there. Smash it. Okay, you can make a mess. We're outside. I think there's a squirrel around here. We're gonna get attacked by the squirrels. Attack of the squirrels. Okay, just smash it in. See that? Now we're gonna put it in the Traeger, in your barbecue, about 350 degrees. You could go as high as 400. It's not gonna hurt it. It's just gonna make it better. Woo! Look at that. Oh, muscles. It's gonna go in for 45 minutes. We're gonna take it out. It's gonna be crispy, delicious. The apples are gonna be soft and yummy. I'm gonna go in the house and I'm gonna see if I have vanilla ice cream because I don't know if I do, because people eat it and don't tell you. And if not, we will find something else to top it with. Let's stick it in there. Woo! Okay, you guys, I'm excited because we had a little bit of ice cream left over. Gonna go and check on our apple crisp. Oh my. It's bubbly hot. I'm right-handed, so I don't know if you could see, it's crispy on the edges. It's super, super hot, so be careful when you take it out. The wind is kicked in, which is really nice because it's hot out here. I'm gonna turn off my Traeger. Okay, you ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. There's other people here who are excited too. Oh, it's crunchy and soft. Can you hear that? It's sizzling. Oh, this is so delicious. Okay, where do I put that? Right here. Okay, that's a big scoop. But you know what? It's not gonna last. Let's give it a little ice cream. Oh, does that look amazing? Yes? Oh, yes. And the crowd oohs and ahs. Ooh, ah. It's super hot. So I'm gonna take a little bite, but I'm gonna have a lot of ice cream. This is best served hot or warm. My honey could eat this hot. I guess I could eat it hot too. This is so good. The top is crunchy. The oats toast, so when you eat them, they almost like melt in your mouth. It's almost like a roasted almond, like that, except it just like is softer. It's so good. And the apples are soft. Just gonna eat it. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm glad we have vanilla ice cream. They go good together. I hope you try this recipe. If you like our video, please subscribe. Give us a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you changed it up and what you added. I'd love to hear from you. Please like us, and I hope you come back to our backyard barbecue. See you on Bear Food Kitchen.